Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to unlock Ultimate Team packs. As you can see right here, by going to Skills Trainer, on the left side, we can see rewards, complete drills and unlock Ultimate Team packs. We can unlock 13 Ultimate Team packs. For example, let's go to Round Pass options. Here we've got RPO Alert, RPO Pick and RPO Read. Each of these tutorials have tutorial and drill. You have to complete drill to unlock the reward cards. Bronze every drill to earn an Ultimate Team pack. So let's start the drill. In order to start the drill, press X button or square button.
Here we go, here we go. Dad! Get set! Dad! Here we go, here we go. Dad! Here we go. Dad! Here we go.
Let's go back. And now we've got rewards. Go to Ultimate Team to claim your reward. Thanks to the skill trainer drills, we can unlock 13 card packs. And now in Marketplace, we can open our card pack. If you find this video helpful, please click like, comment and subscribe.